Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beginner sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're just stepping into the world of sewing or looking for a reliable machine to start your creative journey, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Intrinsica handheld sewing machine. This ultra-portable sewing machine is designed with beginners in mind, offering a compact, easy-to-use design that's perfect for quick repairs and creative projects. It features 2 adjustable speeds for added versatility, slow speed for precision, and fast speed for efficient stitching. The double-thread design ensures strong, durable stitches, making it great for lightweight fabrics like silk, curtains, and pillowcases. The design of the Intrinsica sewing machine is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 14.4 ounces, and its handheld format makes it a convenient choice for travel or small on-the-go sewing tasks. It comes with a full set of accessories, including replacement needles, thread loops, and even scissors, making it a great starter kit for beginners. Dual power options via USB or AA batteries mean you can use it almost anywhere, but keep in mind that it's best suited for thin fabrics rather than heavy-duty projects. While the Intrinsica is easy to operate and perfect for quick fixes, it does lack some of the advanced features you'd find in traditional bench sewing machines. Its compact design limits its use to basic tasks, so it might not be ideal for those looking to take on more complex sewing challenges. Overall, it's a great beginner-friendly option for quick repairs, but if you're planning larger projects, you might want to look further up the list. At number 4, we have the Powered Helper Mini Sewing Machine, a compact and eco-friendly option that's tailored for beginners and younger users. This sewing machine stands out with its dual-speed functionality, allowing users to switch between low and high speeds for added control and safety. It's designed specifically for smaller spaces and includes a built-in light and thread cutter for improved visibility and convenience during use. One of the highlights of this machine is its extension table, which offers added stability for larger projects, a feature not commonly found in mini sewing machines. Its environmental material ensures durability while keeping it lightweight at just 2 pounds, making it easy to transport. The design is beginner-friendly, with clear threading instructions and simple controls that anyone can master with minimal practice. It's also a great gift option, thanks to its cute color and thoughtful packaging. However, while the Power Helper Mini Sewing Machine is excellent for basic tasks and smaller projects, it's not built for heavy-duty sewing or thicker fabrics. Additionally, it has fewer built-in stitches compared to more advanced models, which limits its versatility. If you're looking for a portable, beginner-friendly machine to learn sewing basics or work on small crafts, this is a solid choice. But for more robust sewing needs, you'll want to explore the higher-ranked machines on this list. Coming in at number 3 is the RX Melee Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine, a versatile and budget-friendly option for beginners. This machine offers 12 built-in stitches, including lock stitches and curve stitches, giving users more variety for everyday sewing tasks. Its intuitive threading indication marks on the body make setup a breeze, while the dual-speed functionality lets you choose between precise control or faster stitching. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just under 5 pounds, and includes a built-in storage drawer for added convenience. It can be powered either via an AC adapter or 8A batteries, making it a great option for users who need portability. The foot pedal control adds an extra layer of precision, while the built-in light ensures you can work comfortably in any lighting condition. This machine is ideal for household use, such as mending clothes, sewing home decor, or creating small crafts. While the RX Melee sewing machine offers great versatility for its price, it does have some drawbacks. It's not suitable for heavy fabrics or advanced projects. An incorrect operation can lead to jamming or broken needles, so careful use is essential. Overall, this is a solid choice for beginners who want an affordable yet functional machine for basic sewing projects. At number 2, we have the Brother GX37 sewing machine, which offers an excellent balance of affordability and functionality. This machine is packed with 37 built-in stitches, including decorative and stretch stitches, giving users plenty of options for different projects. The auto-size buttonhole feature and automatic needle threader make setup and use incredibly easy, even for beginners. It also includes 6 sewing feet and a comprehensive accessory kit, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. The GX37 is well built and designed for versatility, with a free arm that makes it perfect for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other small items. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it's lightweight enough for portability, while still being sturdy enough for everyday use. Whether you're working on quilting, mending, or crafting, this machine can handle it all with ease. It also comes with Brothers' renowned technical support, providing peace of mind for new users. The only downside to the GX37 is that it's slightly less feature-rich compared to higher-tier models. However, at $109.98, it's an excellent value proposition for beginners who want a reliable machine without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with more advanced features, the GX37 is hard to beat. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, the premium option on our list. This machine is a favorite among beginners and experienced users alike, thanks to its robust range of features and exceptional build quality. With 27 unique built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, it's versatile enough for a wide range of projects. The auto-size buttonhole and automatic needle threader are designed with ease of use in mind, making setup quick and stress-free. The XM2701 is lightweight at just 12.6 pounds and features a versatile free arm, perfect for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other smaller items. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, while the included accessories, such as 6 sewing feet, a needle set, twin needle, bobbins, and an instructional DVD, make it a comprehensive package for beginners. Brothers At Your Side support provides free technical assistance, giving users the confidence to tackle new projects. Priced at $129.99, the XM2701 is slightly more expensive than some other options on this list, but the added features and reliability make it worth the investment. If you're looking for a sewing machine that combines user-friendly functionality with advanced capabilities, the Brother XM2701 is the best choice for beginners. Whether you're mending clothes, quilting, or exploring creative crafts, this machine has you covered. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.